Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital wallets and money transfers. Specifically, we're tackling a question that trips a lot of people up. Can you transfer money directly between Venmo and PayPal? The problem: siloed wallets. Let's face it, in this day and age, most of us juggle multiple digital wallets. There's Venmo, the social payment app perfect for splitting bills with friends. Then there's PayPal, the online payment giant accepted by countless stores worldwide. But what happens when you need to move money between these two seemingly separate ecosystems? Can you seamlessly transfer cash from your Venmo account to your PayPal wallet, ready for an online purchase? Or are you stuck transferring back and forth to your bank account, adding unnecessary steps? Well, the answer might surprise you. Direct transfer, not an option, but here's why. Cut to explainer video with simple animations. Unfortunately, as of today, there's no direct way to transfer money between Venmo and PayPal. Both platforms operate as closed loops, meaning they prioritize transactions within their own systems. Here's the breakdown. Venmo, owned by PayPal, but focused on social payments between individuals. PayPal, a broader online payment platform used for online stores and international transfers. While both are owned by PayPal, they cater to different purposes. This separation keeps things streamlined within each platform but creates a roadblock for direct transfers. Don't fret yet. Alternative solutions. Cut back to main host. Now, before you get discouraged, there are definitely ways to move money between your Venmo and PayPal accounts. It might just take a little extra maneuvering. Here are two options you can consider. Solution 1. Transfer via bank account. Transfer from Venmo to bank. This is the most straightforward step. Initiate a transfer from your Venmo balance to your linked bank account. Venmo usually processes these transfers within 1 to 3 business days. Transfer from bank to PayPal. Once the money hits your bank account, you can then transfer it to your PayPal wallet. Most banks allow for instant transfers, although fees might apply. Solution 2. Use a debit card. Add debit card to Venmo. If you have a debit card linked to your bank account, you can add it as a payment source on Venmo. Pay with Venmo balance via debit card. When making a payment on PayPal, choose to pay using your debit card. As long as the funds originate from your Venmo balance through the linked debit card, you're essentially transferring money from Venmo to PayPal indirectly. Important considerations. Cut to explainer screen with icons. Here are some things to keep in mind when using these alternative methods. Transfer fees. Be sure to check for any transfer fees associated with moving money between your bank account and Venmo or PayPal. These fees can vary depending on the platform and transfer method. Processing time. Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, while debit card transactions might be instant. Factor in this wait time depending on your urgency. Limits. Venmo and PayPal might have limitations on how much money you can transfer at once. Check their individual policies to avoid any surprises. The takeaway: patience and planning are key. While there's no magic button for direct Venmo to PayPal transfers, don't worry. With a little planning and the methods we discussed, you can still move your money between these platforms. Just remember to factor in potential fees and processing times to ensure a smooth transfer. Outro. Upbeat music. So, that's the scoop on transferring money between Venmo and PayPal. Hopefully, this video clarifies your options and helps you manage your digital finances effectively. If you have any questions or other digital wallet mysteries you'd like us to solve, leave a comment below and let us know. We're always happy to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.